Well, hello my pretties and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is my pleasure to have you here. And please go like and subscribe and hit the bell and leave me a comment about your Boxycharm or any box for that matter. I want to hear about if you have any boxes to suggest. I'm working on getting some different ones that I've never done before. So yeah, hit me up right down there. As if it's a secret, we're doing Boxycharm. It's for Boxycharm November 2021. It is the Basebox unboxing and reveal. I'm revealing my variation. So let's get to it. I'm excited. Let's get to it. It's kind of a larger box than it has been the past couple of months. So hopefully it's something good. Let's go ahead and get started and show what we got. Got my trusty scissors. And we are opening it up. Oh, let's go away from me. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. She's kind of a big box. Hello, Charmers. It's usually pink. Ooh, it's all black. Hello, Charmers. Got a little fluff in there. And the theme is invite only. I got an invite. And I'm going to take you with me. You're invited too. So it's invite only. Boxy Beauty Bash. Shop our annual holiday blowout sale now. Let's go up to 80% off retail. Get a free gift valued at over 40. I mean, didn't this start the other day? I don't know, man. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products today. Woohoo! Let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully it's a good one because I don't know, man. I've been thinking about trying a different subscription box, like month to month, not just here and there. I don't know. Let's see what Boxy has to offer us today, okay? So we never start from the top. We always start from the bottom. Today is no different. So we're gonna start with Laruce, L-A-R-U-C-E Beauty Face Disc. I have never heard of that before. I've never heard of that brand. I don't know what a face disc is. It makes me think somebody's gonna throw something in my face, but I don't know. Let's see what it is. Where is it? And this is it. Upside down, but this is it. It's still it. So recommended use, white, remove makeup. Oh, okay, so let's open this. Oh, see the 3 different color discs, and they're nice and soft, and I just want to rub them all over. Yeah, it's really nice and soft. Like, feels like earmuffs. So, recommend use, white, remove makeup. Gray, apply toners and serums, which I don't even do. Black, wash face. Okay. Yeah, and you can tell this one's fluffier and this one is more compact. And this one is like compact but fluffier right on the fur. So yeah, does that make sense? So yeah, let's go ahead and read a little bit more about it. It is wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. I like that idea. So basically, instead of using disposable wipes, you use these and you wash them and take care of them and you protect them and treat them like a baby. No, but I like that idea. I don't want to dispose a bunch of trash everywhere if it's not necessary. I recycle. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. Yes. The organic bamboo cotton has soft, plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. Awesome. MSRP is $24. I'm actually really liking this. I had like it's like a beauty blender type thing, and it was shaped like that, but it was harder sponge, which I liked reusing too. So I'm actually digging this one. Let's see about the rest though, okay? Okay, you never know. You know Boxycharm, they like to throw us for a loop sometimes. Trust Fund Beauty. I'm gonna say it's probably this stuff. And then no, it's not. Oh, here it is. Trust Fund Beauty. Better than therapy lip oil. You know, they've been giving us lip oils. This is like the 3rd lip oil in a row. I think I'm lip oiled out. Come on, Boxy, let's take a pause on the lip oil just for a minute. It's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy lip oil infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. Ultra juicy. Ooh, making me want like a McDonald's hamburger or something. Let's see what it looks like. This is the box. 10 free non-toxic. 100% vegan, gluten-free. I like that, which I do eat gluten-free. Ew, it's got, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got gold glittery specks in there. That's pretty. I bet that would look pretty over a lipstick. But I'm not gonna open it because I don't know if I don't think I'd use this. I don't like wet. I like more matte lipsticks. Maybe it's a lip gloss. Wait a minute. I think we might be onto something because I do wear lots of lip glosses. Well, it kind of said that like right here, right? So, okay, so this isn't too bad. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. That was MSRP at $18. So we got $24. We got $18. And next up, we have Glowoasis. It is called Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. Voila! And a little bit about it. It says, give thirsty skin a drink of Milk Dew. Woo! This toner meets moisturizer features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and cica extract. I don't know what that is. CICA extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. That sounds pretty good. It's the perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. You know, I wasn't really caring much for this one, but they're making it sound good. With its pH balancing formula, this vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. It also helps remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. You know, I've never really used a toner before, and I don't even know if I knew what a toner was for, but I think I'm at that age where I might want to work on using a toner. And that sounds pretty good if it removes the excess oil and dirt. We can give it a try. Definitely. So, that's not too bad. It's a maybe. The MSRP is $34 for how many ounces? How many ounces? Come on, guys. Where's the ounces? 4.05 fluid ounces. So next up, are you ready for the next one? Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. And here it is. It is for sensitive skin health experts. Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. It's a gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Ooh. Its enhanced, non-foaming, creamy formula removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisture. That don't sound too bad. That sounds pretty good. I'm always in the need of face washes, so I'm not gonna say no. And this is a pretty good brand too. So we've been getting a lot of Kate Somerville in here, like Exfoliate. The MSRP is $40, guys. $40. All right. I mean, seems like a good one. I think I'm gonna give it a try. Moisturizing cleanser, just what I need. Just what I need. And last but not least, we are going to have to check out the Voss Violet Sunset Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. I like that brand. I love Voss actually. I haven't had a lot of it, but I still like it. Oh, I'm just like jumping to the palette already. Let's read about it. This is it. 10 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Okay, I can dig that. So get your daily dose of magic hour with the Violet Sunset Palette, a color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. So that means it's gonna be like oranges and yellows and browns, maybe? Maybe some blue? Let's see. Your eyes are sure to be the main attraction. It provides iconic, everyday warm neutrals and complementary pops of colors to achieve all the looks you desire and more. Okay, kind of lost me at neutrals. We'll see. Experience Violet Voss, the addicting formulas and the perfect mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. Always pigmented and extremely blendable. All right, let's see. Pro Series. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty. It's pretty, it's pretty. It's pretty, it's pretty, pretty. I mean, there's some good transition colors in there, but, wait, is that a blush in there? Or is it just called blush? But I'm sure you could use it as a blush. Actually, these two could probably use it as a blush. That might have changed my mind. No, I don't know about this one. I mean, it's a nice palette, but I mean, I guess I'm more picky. I want more color or black or, you know me, you know me and my black and my stuff like that. So, no, I don't think so. Not on the palette. I'm gonna have to say no. Sorry, my Voss. Sorry, Boxycharm. But aside from that, I'm actually okay with these three. So, I mean, it's okay. I don't know. Should I? I don't know. Should I cancel or not to cancel? We might have to get one more box and give it another whirl. Maybe we'll do it 2 out of 3. Well, we gotta decide what this one is. Is this one a yay or a nay? I mean, we got these two, the lip oil, the palette, the cleanser, the toner, and the face cleansers. You know, 3 out of 5, I'll say it's a yes. If I get 3 out of 5, it's a yes. If I don't, then it's a no. That's how we'll judge this. That's how we're gonna judge this. So that is all that we have for today. I'm already anxious to get the next Boxycharm because I want to know if we're gonna subscribe, if we're gonna continue our subscription, or are we going to cancel it? Because I'm thinking of canceling it for a different one already that I've never even had yet. Maybe I should try that one first before I do this one. What should we do? What should we do? Let's figure this out, guys. Let's ponder on it first. So, we did our recap, and we're gonna say this one is a yes. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching me open my box, and I hope that everybody stays well and happy and safe. Thank you so much. Bye.